All right, so I'm just completely losing a lot, and I think it might just be because I don't have a strategy. But right now, when I just lose, what do I do?
Okay, that's a really great question, right? So, success is a formula, it's not a fantasy. You're going to hear me say that thousands and thousands of times. What that really means is this, especially you're brand new, right? So you're just
Yeah.
doing everything. You're probably looking at fundamentals, technicals, indicators, automation. You're asking him, you're asking her, what are you doing? What is she doing? And then you're trying everything. Well, when you're trying everything, right, you are extremely inconsistent. And if you are inconsistent, then your results ultimately become inconsistent. If you find success, it's probably got lucky, and then you're going to give it all back because you're trying this, you're trying this, you're trying that, and you know what? Enjoy it. It's fun, right? It's fun trying new things, but try new things for a purpose, right? Understand that in this world, that there are different personality types. You have feelers, detailers, bottom liners, and exciters, and they're all going to trade differently. You want to try a strategy, right? And you want to see, is it easy to follow, easy to use, easy to execute, and then can you obey the rules? If the answer is yes, then really give it an honest sample size. Place 15, 20, 25 trades following the same exact rules of that one strategy, right? Enter in the same exact way. Stops go the same exact place. Limits go the same exact. Don't, once you enter in, like, don't fiddle with the trade. Don't add to the position. Don't move your stops or limits unless that's the rules, right, of your strategy, but be disciplined. And then after 20, 25 trades, then look back and say, did I make money or did I lose money? After 25 trades, if you follow all your rules, you should be making money. If you're not, it's a bad strategy for you, right? But if you are making money, then you say, did I like this experience, right? Did I enjoy this? Am I happy? Do I like the win-loss ratio? Do I like the amount of effort involved? Did I like the way I felt along the way? If the answer is yes, then great, go scale and have fun. If the answer is no, move on to the next. But do you have to change or do you have to do all sorts of things? No, have fun with it, but learn and try things with a purpose. At the end of the day, you're trying to make money, and trading is very difficult, very hard, and it's much harder when you're inconsistent. But just view it as what it is. You're trying something to find something that fits your personality. Once it fits your personality, give it an honest sample size, 15, 20, 25 trades. Are you net profitable? Did you enjoy the experience? And then go to the moon with it, right? So just kind of think of it like that.
Ah, thanks. That makes sense, Josh. Thank you.